Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since from my last vlog and medyo na busy. These past few days, meron akong pinagkakaabalahan at yun ay ang pag-solve ng Rubik's Cube. Okay, as in, for the last 2 days, wala akong ginawa kundi aralin kung paano buuhin ang Rubik's Cube. So, there are many approaches or methods or techniques para mabuo yung Rubik's Cube or masolve yung Rubik's Cube. But for me, kung saan yung mas madali. So, it's a combination ng tutorial na pinanood ko. So, you can also try, if you don't know how to solve Rubik's Cube, you can also try. There's a lot of tutorials, techniques out there, you know. And if you find my video na makakatulong or mas easy sa inyo para mas madali yung masolve ang Rubik's Cube, so, try this one. Okay. Before I start, I make it with a twist, like solving the Rubik's Cube with coffee and mukbang. Mukbang pa ito, hindi ka, konti lang naman eh. Yeah, with this one, corn and a hot dog with mustard. So, naisipan ko na i-share sa inyo yung natutunan ko kasi para naman hindi ma-waste yung 2 days kong pagpa-practice mag-solve ng Rubik's Cube. At least may kabuluhan. Sinulat ako how to solve a Rubik's Cube step by step. Where is it? Papakita ko sa inyo. Wait, guys. I'm gonna share it with you. This is the one! I have written step by step how to solve the Rubik's Cube. But this is the first time na itatry ko in front of the camera na isolve ang Rubik's Cube without looking at the kodigo. First of all, drink muna tayo ng coffee bago siya lumamig. Okay guys, kailangan pag magbuo kayo sa mga beginners na tulad ko, kailangan alamin nyo ang basic na dapat malaman pag magbubuo ng Rubik's Cube. For me, ang lagi ko, bago ko buuin to, ang lagi ko talagang dapat isipin is, ano ba yung top and ano ba yung bottom? My top will be the yellow color, always look at the middle. And my bottom will be this one, or this one, the white color. Then, this is my right. This is my left. Basta alam ko kung ano yung color ng top, yung position ng top color, at saka yung position ng white color. And I know the left and right. The second tips na pwede kong sabihin sa inyo is, kailangan talaga alam nyo this 4 step. Kasi itong 4 step na ipapakita ko sa inyo is basically the most step na kailangan para mabuo yung buong Rubik's Cube. Most kasi, it's either babawasan mo lang yung step ng 1 to 4 na yon, gagamitin mo lang yung first 3, or may idadagdag ka lang na few steps. So, ito yung first move. Pag right, ito yung right eh. So, ang first move is, you have to move up, then, turn away, move away. Ang tawag ko doon is move away kasi ito yung minove ko. So move away, going away from this side. So move away. And then move away, and then the one you move up, you just move it down. And then the one you move away, you just turn it back. That's the first 4 moves. The second 4 moves is on the left because magkaiba yung move away niya. So same pa rin basically. So move up. Since ito yung ginalaw ko, so ang move away niya is ito, papunta doon. Move away. Then, the one I move up, I have to put it down only. And then, the one I move away, I have to return back to the same position. So, basically, ang move lang is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alternate nga lang, 'di ba? Hindi siya yung magkasunod. Alternate mo lang gagawin. Ganito siya. Again, ganun. Tapos ibababa mo siya, tapos ibabalik mo. Sa left naman, ganun din. Move away, and then balik, and then babalik mo yon. So basically, wag niyo yung kakalimutan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pero alternate. Hindi siya magkasunod. Sa left, ganun din. So, yun lang yung ma-share ko bago tayo mag-start. Now, kain muna tayo guys. Nagutom ako, yun pa lang. This hot dog. Let's see. Hop. Wala pa ako na-solve, pero nagutom agad ako. Kasi ang tagal ko nang hindi nagbablog eh. Sorry. Harap. Baka may makita ko yung singit-singit sa ngipin ko. Pagbigyan niya na, guys. Yum. Okay, guys. Let's move to the first step. The first step, guys, is, diba? Dapat ang top is yellow, bottom is white. The first step, guys, is to make a flower. A daisy flower. So, daisy flower, the middle niya is, ang middle niya is yellow, diba? And then the petals is the white color. Paano gawin yon? Meron lang naman tayong 4 side. This one, this one, this one, and this one. And, kailangan i-check mo kung nasan ba yung white. Saan ba nakaposition yung white. And dapat mag-isip ka kung paano mo siya mapapataas. Kasi namumove mo naman siya pag ganun, pag ganun, pag ganun. Kailangan mo siyang isipin. Ako, ang tip ko na pwede kong gawin is yung middle layer. Tinitingnan ko muna kung may color white doon. Kasi kapag may color white dito, madali na siyang ma-move papunta sa taas. Example, this one. This color. This color, itataas ko lang siya. Kasi, nandito na siya. Kasi namumove naman to, di ba? Itataas lang siya. Yan. So, meron na ako isang petal dito. So, I have to put another petal here, here, and here. So, tingin ulit tayo dito sa middle kung may white color. Meron ulit siya. So, ipiposition ko lang siya. Here. Itataas ko lang siya. So, meron na ako ditong white petal. May white petal na ako dito. So, next, look again if there's any white color. Another one, there's white color. So, itataas ko lang, wala ditong petal, itataas ko lang siyang ganun para mapapunta siya dito. So, meron na akong 3 petals. Okay, next one, we have to find if there's any white color. There's no more white color. So, ang gagawin ko, kailangan ko magpapunta ng white dito, color. So, mahanap lang ako ng kung nasaan yung white na gusto kong i-move. Like, for example, ito. Gusto ko siyang i-move dito. So, i-move ko lang yung first 3 step ng sheet tinuro ko sa inyo kanina. 1, 2, 3. So, meron na siyang white here. Di ba? So, i-position lang natin siya. And then, let's put it here. Okay. Another one. Hanap ulit tayo sa middle. Sorry guys. Hanap lang tayo sa middle kung may white ulit. And here, may white ulit tayo. So, nandito na siya, nakaposisyon na siya. So, i-ano lang natin siya, i-position. So, meron na tayong daisy flower. Look at guys. Daisy flower. And daisy flower. So, next step, the second step is, kailangan natin gumawa ng white cross. Diba? Ang bottom is the white. So, we have to make it cross. We have to make this one a white cross. How to do it? First, look at the petal. Look at the petal, guys. And check on the side ng edge ng white petal kung anong color. This one, for example, the first petal is white and the side edge color ng white is blue. Next, once you found out what is the next color ng white, you have to look at the middle. This middle. Is it blue? No. So you have to turn it in the same color in the middle. Like this. So this is the white color, this is the blue, and this is blue. What you're gonna do, you have to turn it only twice to put it down. So, you put it down, this blue, from up. Next, go back to the another petal. The side edge of the white petal is red. So, the middle is red. So, we have to turn also twice to put it down side. Yes. Next petal is orange. And the middle is green. So, it's not the same color. So, you have to place it to the orange color. So, this is color orange too. And this is white. So, we have to move here twice also, same movement. And now, last petal is green. It's not the same color, it's blue. So you have to move it on the same color. So, in the same move twice, clockwise, 1, 2. And then, we have to look at the bottom if we solve the white cross. Try, guys, this is the white cross. So we are finished with the second step, so we have to eat. Ta-da! Ta-da! Sarap ng hotdog. Guys, gutom pa ako. Okay guys, let's move to the next step. Always remember, yellow on the top, white on the bottom. Then third step is, bubuuhin natin, solve natin yung lower layer on the bottom layer. We will solve it. How to solve it? You have to look for white edges. Like this. White edges. This one, this one. We have to solve it. We have to put it down here. In order to put it down, this white, kailangan natin itong papuntahin dito sa baba. So, white edges, kasi isa-solve natin. Now, you have to look beside the white edges, which is the color blue. The color blue, you have to put it in the same color of the middle. Same ng kulay dapat ng middle. So, let's turn. Let's find the blue color. Alright. The blue color is here. Blue color is here. And the blue color is here. And the white edge is here. So, now, nasan ba yung white edge? Nasa right side mo siya, diba? So, the move, dito na mag-start na gamitin yung first 3 step na sinow ko sa inyo kanina. Which is, first 3 step lang ha, not necessarily the first step. First 3 step. And in order for you to identify which move you're gonna do, whether right or left, you have to look for the where's the position of the white edge, which is in the right side, right? So you have to move the right side. So 1, move up, move away, then put it down, the one you move up. That's only the 3 step. Don't do the 4th step. Then you're done with this. Then find again another white color here in the first layer on the top. So no more. The next one you're gonna check where's the white is on the top part or top side ng cubes, which is we have here. Always remember na yung first 3 step na ginawa natin pag nasa top, twice mo siyang gagawin. And before you start doing the movement twice, you have to check on the other side, on the bottom. Dapat itong white na to at saka ito is hindi siya parehas ng kulay. Hindi dapat siya white. So this one is white and this one is blue. So hindi siya parehas. So you can move. You can start moving. So let's start the movement. The white is on the right side. So right side is the movement. So 1, move away, put it down, twice, right? Another one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the white color is here now. So we have to move these white edges. So again, look on the other side of the sticker or the other side color, which is red. Upon looking at this, you have to match it in the middle color, which is the same color, red color, red color, red color, red color, and white color. Where is the position of the white color? It's on the right. So we have to do again the first 3 steps, which is 1, move up, move away, move down. Alright, we have put it down. Now again, let's find on the first layer white color. There's no white color, so we have to look at the top. There's again top color here, white. So again, we have to check on the bottom. It is white, white, white. It's a no. So you have to move it to the different color. So let's move it in the other side. This is the white color. It's a white color. This is the blue color. So it's different color. No, the top and the bottom. So we have to move. Now we are in the left side because the white sticker or the white color is on the left side. So the movement will be left. So the movement will be same like move up, turn away, move away, then move down. So the white color position now in the first layer. So we have to do the same, oh, sorry. They said it should be twice, right? I do it only once. So we have to do it again. Move up, twice, move down. All right. Then, two whites comes here. So let's solve this first one. Color. The first white color. The beside color is, or the edge color is blue. So we have to match it in the middle. It's not much, correct? So we have to match it. So, okay. Since the white color is on the left side, we have to do the same step, the first three steps on the left. So 1, 2, 3. Let's find another white color. This is another white color. What is the beside color? It's orange. What is the middle? Orange. So it's in the right position. So let's move to another step, which is the same first step on the left side, sorry. So 1, move away, then move down. So, charan! We already solved the first layer of the cubes. All blue, all red, all green, all orange, and the bottom also is solved. Okay, palakpak naman dyan, guys. Yes, this is the fruit of my 2 days na pagpa-practice. Ako ba, lately, lagi akong gutom. Ang dami ko nakain. Tapos ngayon, nakain na naman ako. Okay. Again, guys, hindi pa ako expert nito. Kamamaya, usually, na-perfect ko na yung first layer at saka bottom, at saka second layer. Minsan nalilito pa ako dun sa pinakang final na step. Check natin. Next. Dahil yung first layer from bottom and the bottom ay nasolve na natin, we will gonna solve the second layer. How to solve the second layer. Now, look at the top. Look at the top. Always remember this one, the yellow. The yellow. This one petal is the main. Anong tawag dito? Sila ang bida. Itong petals na to, sila ang bida. Hahanap ka sa 4 na petals na to ng walang yellow. Example, this one, blue and yellow, may yellow, so don't move. Yellow and green, may yellow, so don't move. Red and yellow, may yellow pa din, so don't move. Ito lang nag-iisa ang walang yellow, which is orange and blue. Ito lang yung i-move mo. Siya lang yung pwede mong i-move. So, para ma-move mo siya, first, always remember to match it in the middle, in the center, the middle color. So, let's move. Alright, we already moved. Blue, orange. Now, next is, you have to practice this one. This time, you have to practice na yung 4th step na tinuro ko sa inyo. With additional move lang, 1 move lang, prior to the 1st step. Okay, now, ang trick dito is, kung na-match mo na siya sa same color, ano i-move mo? Is it right or is it left? Kasi nga may left and right moves, di ba? Now, yun ang function kung bakit kailangan mong tingnan yung top edge niya, which is the orange. Tingnan nyo guys kung nasan yung orange. Nasa left ba siya? Nasa right ba siya? Or nasa left ba siya? On the right side is the red color. On the left side is the orange color. This is orange. So we have to move the left side because ang left niya is nasa orange. Now, okay. Let's do this. First step na na-add sa first step na tinaro ko sa inyo kanina is like move away lang. From left, move away. Then, start doing the first step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, face the color na pinag-basean nyo ng movement. And then, dahil dito ka galing sa side na to, right move yung gagawin mo, which is you gonna do it again the same 4 step. Wala na yung addition, yun lang 4 step. So 1 2 3 4. All right, you're done. And then again, you have to find again another color na walang dilaw sa mga petals. This one is no yellow, so we have to move it on the same color, green. We have to check whether left or right moves. This is our orange, so we are in the right side. So right moves, we're gonna do the right moves, which is the first is you add, you move away, then the 4th step, 1 2 3 4. Then face the basis of your movement, and then where's the move came from? It's from this side, so we have to move this left side. So first 4th move, 1 2 3 4. Okay, again, let's find any other color na walang yellow. This one, blue and orange, wala siyang yellow kasi yung iba may mga yellow na. So it's in the same color, and let's check which movement we're gonna do. So blue, where's the blue? It's on the right side, so basically we have to move in the right side. So move away, then the 4 moves, 1 2 3 4. Then face mo yung pinagbasehan mo ng movement, galing ka dito sa left, so you have to move this left side. So 1 2 3 4. Still not fixed, so we have to find another color again without yellow, which is this one, the red and the blue. So we have to match it in the same middle. Then look at the middle, and we have to check which movement again. It's on the left side, so move away, then 1 2 3 4. Face it here, galing ka dito, so right moves, 4 step again, 1 2 3 4. So again, it's not fixed. I have here something that is not fixed, so we will go to the 3rd step again. Let's look, this white color is in this edge, we have to put it here. So we have to look on the side of this white, it's just blue, middle is blue, it's in the correct position, and the white color is on the right side, so we have to move the right side using the first 3 steps, which is 1 2 3. Okay, same color again. This, but when serving this, always remember to always dapat itong same layer na to is always same color siya. Then again, look at the side, which one is the same color without yellow. So this is the one, we have to move in the red color. Then look at this one, the blue color, this is the side. So we have to move it from the left. So first is move away, then 1 2 3 4. Then here on the side, 1 2 3 4. I think I solved it already. Oh my god, finally! Next, that's it. Yung kape ko malamig na kasi natagalan ako pang second layer. Bye guys. Nakakalito kaya, promise. Tapos natagalan akong magbuo. Ulit-ulit, diba? Pero, ang tatandaan nyo lang guys, pag ganun, pag nawawala kayo sa posisyon ng first layer habang binubuo ito, ibalik nyo lang siya by finding the white sticker on the upper side. Tapos, repeat na ibuuhin yung walang yellow color para mabuo nyo yung first at saka second layer. Now guys, step na ba to? Hindi ko na alam guys. Pero ilalagay ko na lang sa description. Now, the next step guys, kailangan mabuo mo yung cross. Katulad nito, nabuo ko na siya, yung cross. Well, pagbubuo nito, nabuo ko yung cross. Pero usually guys, hindi to buo. Hindi to buo guys. Isisingit ko yung isang video ko na kung paano, kasi ang hirap galawin pag ginalaw ko, pag pinakita ko sa inyo, baka hindi ko maibalik. baka mag-repeat ako sa beginning. So, mamaya, magta-try uli ako magbuo kung ano yung movement para mabuo mo yung cross dito. Okay guys, binuo ko na uli siya, and this is what ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na supposed to be, pag nabuo mo itong layer na to, first layer at second layer at bottom, dapat ang next step is buuin mo yung cross. Ito, maging cross siya. So, paano ba buuin na maging cross to na yellow cross? Paano? So, ang step lang para gawin yun is yung 4 moves pa din, kaso may i-add ka lang. Itong front na to, this one, this front, okay? You have to, anong tawag dito? Clockwise. Clockwise lang siya. 1, and then i-move mo lang yung 4 moves. 1, 2, 3, then turn back, 4th. Then, yung minove mo na clockwise, counterclockwise mo lang siya. Yep. So, makita mo, yung ito buo pa din siya, ito buo pa din siya. Ito is meron na siyang yellow. So, next is, hindi pa rin siya buo kasi kailangan mo siyang gawing 3 yellow. So, ngayon, ang gagawin mo daw dapat na movement is, sorry guys, nandito kasi ako sa kama, is dapat naka-L or naka-horizontal siya. So, hindi siya pwedeng horizontal kasi wala pa ditong yellow. So, pero L na siya, di ba? Dapat naka-L to sa'yo. Ito nakaharap to sa'yo. Ganyan. Pero ganito mo siya bubuuhin. Pero dapat naka-L. So, ito yung i-move mo. Kasi dito siya yung L. Dito niya naka-L. So, clockwise lang. Clockwise. And then, i-move mo lang siya. Yung 4 moves, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, yung clockwise mo, i-ano mo lang siya. I-counterclockwise mo lang siya. Okay. Now, wala na yung pa-L niya. Pero, nabuo na yung horizontal niya. Hindi, it's a big no to nabuuhin to na vertical to. Dapat naka-horizontal siya. So, same move, ito, naka-horizontal siya, di ba? Same move, ito, clockwise lang, then the 4 moves, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, then counterclockwise. Alright! This is what I'm telling you. Buo na yung cross niya. Ang next ng cross, kailangan mong buuhin, parang lahat nitong middle na to, itong middle, ito yung edge, di ba? Ito yung petal, itong edge, lahat same color. So, check mo as much as many color na nabuo na. Okay, see, napaka dali na nangyari sa pagbuo ko. Kasi nga nang paulit-ulit siguro paulit-ulit ko siyang binuo. So, na-match siya lahat. Yun yung next step, which is hindi talaga, rarely din nangyayari yung nabuo na agad itong, this one, guys. Ito. Same siya ng color, same siya ng color, same siya ng color, same siya ng color. Hindi talaga yung yellow na cross, nabuo na siya sa paulit-ulit. So, again, i-insert ko yung clip kung paano uli buuhin yan. Kasi ibang step din. Now, ang next nating bubuuhin is yung middle. This middle edge, and middle edge. So now is, yung sinasabi ko nga, is try to match it with the same color as much as we can. So, same color, not same color, let's try to move. Okay, dalawa yung na-match natin. All red color and all blue color. This one and this one, kailangan natin pagbaliktarin. Paano ba natin siya pagbabaliktarin? This is the next step. The next step is, may additional is yung first 3 moves, which is move up. Iharap mo lang sa'yo yung hindi match na color. Move up. Okay. Itong dalawang color na to. I-move up mo lang siya. Then, move away, the second step. And then, third step. Okay, don't make the fourth step. Okay, of turning back. No. So, you have to put this green color here. So, another turn. Then, you have to turn it again up. Then, this one, you have to put it back here. how to put it back, this color green to green here, just move like this, and put it down. Nagpalit ang camera guys, lobat. So, let's, na-move natin, diba? So, continue lang. Let's match the middle as much as we can, again. So, this one is, this one is solved. This one, no. Only one solved, no. It should be much as many as 2. Maximum 2. No. Ayan. These are red and this green. So, itong dalawa, kailangan natin pagbalik ta rin. So, let's do the same move. Dali na, mo ba ako? Nakapokus. So, itong dalawang to, let's do the first 3 step, which is the 1, 2, 3. Then, the 3 step, maidadagdag mo lang. Itong dalawa, ito, pupunta mo dito. 1. Yan, ipupunta mo lang siya dito. Then, after mo siya mapunta, 1 move up. Then, this one, return it back here. So, 1, 2, 7. Okay, let's again try if na-solve na ba natin yung middle. I told you guys, di ba? Mayroon siyang ibang step. Solve, 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 and solve. Yung middle. We have to check naman the sides. If the same color. The side, if the same color. This is orange, this is orange, this is green. This is the same color. Guys, nabuo din siya. Almost nabuo ko siya sa move kong yun ng paulit-ulit. Guys, promise, pinaktis ko to bago mag-vlog. And nahirapan akong buuin hanggang junk side na yan, paulit-ulit ako. But itong video kong to, halos nabuo ko na siya in just solving this second layer kasi talaga hindi talaga yung nangyayari. May movement para mabuo yung cross, may movement para mabuo yung middle, and may movement para mabuo yung mga sides. Iba-ibang movement, guys, promise. In this case, nabuo ko na siya. So, this edges, di ba kanina solve agad siya? Now this one, let's check. Ito yung solve na area. So, dito lang tayo mag-move until ma-solve. Kung ano lang yung correct side, yun lang i-move natin hanggang sa ma-solve natin yung 4 edges. So, this is the step. Sorry guys. First is, it will be 8 step. So, you have to watch out. First is, dahil nga ito yung isosolve natin, ito yung, they call this, ito yung tamang side. Blue here, yellow, red, diba? Red to, blue to, yellow to, red to. So, correct side siya. Tingnan nyo to. Nasaan green? May green ba? Wala. Diba? May red ba? No. Same. Mayroon ba ditong blue? Wala. Same on the other side. May orange ba dito? Wala. So, ito lang yung correct side. So, ito yung move natin para makorek tong tatlong to. Paano yung 8 moves? First is, correct side, move away, move up. Do it on the other side, on the left side. Move away, move up. Then, make it again. Here side, move away. Down naman. Kanina pataas, ito naman down. Then, do it on the same side. On the left side. Then, down. Check natin kung nabuo natin yung mga sides. This is red. This is red. This is yellow, blue. Orange, blue, yellow, solve. We solve it already. All the edges. Ngayon is, pupunta na tayo sa final step and move in solving the puzzle. Or in solving the cubes. So, di ba, sabi ko from the beginning, this is the top and this is the bottom. Ngayon, kailangan mo itong dilaw naka-face sa'yo. I-face mo na siya sa'yo. Nakaganon. Like this. Like this. Now, you have to, kape mo na. Kailangan dito sa side na to, sa right side at the upper side, ano bang tawag dito? Right edge na naka-face sa'yo. kailangan i-check mo. Same color ba sa ng yellow? Yes, same color siya. So, hindi mo na siya kailangan buuhin kasi bubuuhin mo ay, kasi yellow na siya. Ang ngayon, ang gagawin mo, kailangan buuhin ito into yellow, di ba? So, pero kailangan mo siyang dalhin dito sa side na to. So, move mo lang siya. Nang gano'n. Ito lang i-move mo. So, buuhin natin to. Paano siya buuhin? Similar lang ng movement ng first step. Reverse lang yung pag-up, move down niya. So, ngayon, move away first. Kung nasan yun, move away. Then, put down. Diba? Dapat move up, diba? Move down. Then, balik mo lang siya. Then, move up. Hindi pa rin siya buo. Repeat lang. Move away. Move away. Move down. Sorry. Move. Pabalik. Then, move up. Solve na. Right? Ngayon, ito naman yung solve natin. So, you have to put it here. 1, 2. Dito siya. So, same movement. Move away. Move down. Turn it back. Then, move up. Hindi pa rin siya mo. We have to do that again. Repeat again. Move away. Move down. Return it back. And move it up. Hindi pa rin. Repeat again until we solve this. Move away. Move down. Return it back. Move up. Hindi pa rin. Let's repeat. Move away. Move it down. Return it back. Move up. It's already solved. So, the next step is to position it sa tamang kulay. And here you go, guys. It is already solved. Thank you guys for watching. And let's continue eating. Okay, samahan niyo muna ako kumain.